Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, the El Paso family. In today's video, we're doing a mukbang / Q&A, and we have questions and we have our food. Yeah, so let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We're eating the illian.
And share. And this is what we're gonna be eating. Should I show them? Okay, so we have some flatas. And some chicken nuggets with ketchup. Some salsas for our flatas, the green, and what is this one? Chile de árbol. And then we have some chips for afterwards, some Lay's lemon flavored, and hot Cheetos.
And we have
Plain. The first question is what our names are and our age.
Now what?
Our names and age.
Well, my name is Ruben Hernandez, and my age is 32.
like
I thought you were gonna say like 20.
my
I should
my
have.
name is
My name is Illian, and I am Eva. What's your name?
My name
It's Raiden,
is Hernandez.
and I'm 3 years old.
I'm 3 years old.
My name is Claudia Hernandez, and I am 32.
Okay, the second question is
But
What are you doing? You gotta speak up.
okay. The second question is facts about us.
Okay. What are our facts?
Like one fact about each of us.
only
I'm super handsome.
Ryder channel.
I'm fun going.
One.
Or easy going.
One.
What else? Strong. I'm super strong. I'm fast.
It is not.
One fact.
Beautiful. I'm beautiful. What else?
Next.
Like that.
We're gonna
Okay.
be done.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know.
For your question.
Ah! Mama.
What's one fun fact about you?
Did I-
Or one fact about you, right?
That
One fun-
mama's on you.
I'm bossy.
You're bossy?
Okay.
Okay, that'll work.
What's one fact about you, Raiden?
Like
Something fun about you. What's the last fact
like
about
I like fun. Like
No, it's
park. Like
Would you like going to the park?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of the parks and I go.
Yeah, that's
yeah,
fun.
you like going to the
But
park.
I like going home. Though. But
Okay, Mom, what about you?
One fact about me, or a fact,
Yeah.
is that
yeah. Like 1 hour and 2 hours.
I have 4 siblings.
Okay, the third question is why we decided to start our channel.
Now what?
Why we decided to start our channel.
Say it again. Okay, why we decided to start our channel?
Then
Me personally, for the kiddos. Because I think memories is basically what we live off of. Like what we leave behind. So that's kind of what I want to leave them. For whenever we get older, they could go back to the channel and experience or relive the moments that we've had. And also, they get to see me now and how I am or how I respond to things. And when I get older and they have kids, hopefully they get to see this channel too.
Next question.
Yours?
Oh,
Your answer?
we don't all have to give an answer.
Oh no?
Mhm.
Why not? That's not cool.
where's my bottle?
Why do you want? We don't all have to do
You
it.
should though.
That's the main one.
Where's my bottle?
Okay, go.
I need my bottle.
And then we put his bottle on the floor. Dale una, mira, aquí hay una.
¿No quieres una aquí?
No. Sí, pero se lo estoy dando bien poquito.
Mom,
Want ketchup or nugget?
like,
I think.
here's some right here.
I don't know.
You guys want to skip this question because I'm basically the one that
If
does
you-
this?
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
That's why I said it.
Yeah.
You answer the question.
Okay.
We don't have
We
to
could
answer
skip
every
this
question.
one. Well, they can skip this one and then go to the next
Okay,
one.
the next one.
Think of other
Just-
questions as we go.
What is our favorite?
And I'm talking first.
What?
What is our favorite food?
Okay. Mom?
My favorite food, I have different favorite foods. Like
Okay.
for Mexican, my favorite food is flautas. I like chicken Alfredo.
Flautas con la pila.
I've never even tried la pila.
No, or which one did I brought you?
Cometa.
El cometa.
And then I love pizza from Peter Piper.
Pizza. The Peter Piper is her favorite. It's always been her
that's it, no?
favorite. That's why
Those
I'm
are
so
my
tired
three
of it.
favorite foods.
H.
And I love eating hot Cheetos. I'm like a chip person.
Chip person?
Wait,
Chips,
what's your
yeah,
favorite
hot
food?
Cheetos.
What's
Like-
your favorite food?
Like, bananas.
That's a good one.
He doesn't really eat bananas, but
I want
okay.
all of the bananas.
You do, huh, Papi?
Okay, my favorite food is Mexican food and mom's green enchiladas.
That one, it's because you're speaking really low.
Mom's green enchiladas.
Oh,
for
mom's
Mexican.
green enchiladas.
Chicken Alfredo.
Chicken chop, chicken chop,
Chicken Alfredo.
chicken chop,
From mom, too.
Yeah,
Oh, from Applebee's, no?
Applebee's,
You like it?
Applebee's.
chicken
And
chop,
or from Jason's Deli. And
Chicken Alfredo from there?
yeah, remember?
Jason's Deli?
What did I use? What do I usually get?
A sandwich?
From Jason's Deli, I don't get a sandwich. I get pasta.
I don't remember them having chicken Alfredo, but anyway.
Right.
Okay. Anyways,
Okay.
What else?
and hamburgers. I like hamburgers, but like from Whataburger, the avocado bacon burger.
Her favorite.
Yeah, that is her favorite.
Yours, babe?
The what?
Nothing.
Tell me.
Chile dropped.
Oh. From my mom, el chile con queso that she makes.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about
That's
that.
my favorite all
Bomb.
time.
Mom,
Chile con queso.
Chile con queso.
my,
And then
did that make some cupcakes for
I
me?
like the rice.
I like Peter Piper's as my favorite pizza.
Like two
But my
times.
favorite
Like
food, I
one.
gotta go with steak. And it would have to be filet mignon or New York strip.
From where?
A chip drop.
From me cooking it.
That's true.
Mika?
Your filet mignon was. Oh.
I like that.
Okay, the next question is, do we have any pets?
We
Yeah.
have
We
Nala.
have Nala and Mika.
2 dogs, female. Bulldogs, English bulldogs.
Yeah.
English.
Favorite movie or TV show?
You start off?
My favorite movie. Okay, so I like my favorite movie. I used to be obsessed with Twilight, like I'm watching it, and I also like the like action
Nala's
movies.
getting
I like
now.
action movies.
I'm
And I
stuck
like
at
movies.
the top.
Oh, yeah, but you didn't say which one. Nala.
Like which action movie?
Yeah, the specific name.
Avengers Endgame. I like that.
Avengers?
Yeah, Endgame.
That is her favorite movie.
It made me cry.
Nala, I'm so sad.
TV show?
Because he wants food.
Probably like one of the TV shows that I used to watch. El Chavo del Ocho or La Seca.
But
I used to watch that a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
You babe?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Touche.
And my favorite TV show right now is Grey's Anatomy.
But which
But I like others.
Lion King? The first one or the
The first Lion King,
Mom,
The Lion King, and
I
the
like
second
Lion King.
too.
I like the Lion.
What's your favorite movie?
The Lion.
The Lion King 2 or Toy Story?
I like Toy Story and Moana.
And Moana. And what is your favorite TV show? You have a favorite too, Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
right. That's true.
That
My favorite TV show
But
would have to be, I want to say Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
movie.
Well, that was my favorite TV show for a while.
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
That's why I said right.
even for
Movies,
even
Batman,
something.
Dark Knight,
I got
and I'm looking forward to the new Joker too.
Yeah.
Gotta go see it.
it. No, don't take it out. It's a pet that.
I'm gonna move on to dessert.
What other?
Moana
Do you like
teacher.
any of the Avengers movies?
I like the Avengers, but it's not my favorite. Like not one of my
What's
favorites.
your like favorite type of like?
Toy
genre?
Story was one of my favorites too.
What's your favorite type of genre of movie?
No,
Actually.
no, stop.
Oh, you know what I'm
Toy Story is
into,
my favorite.
Like
And
like
I like season 3.
criminal or like killers, like real killers. Documentary. I do watch documentary. I like watching those.
Documentaries. you
Yeah.
do.
So I'm gonna have to put that up there.
Okay, our dream vacation. Raiden, what's your
A dream vacation?
Raiden? What's your dream
they
vacation? Where do
do.
you want to go in the world?
These mystery Oreos
house.
taste like graham crackers.
Okay,
They do?
Bomb.
so Raiden said his dream vacation was going to Mia's house.
Aww.
Aw,
That's
we
true.
miss
He
you,
loves
Mia.
it.
Hopefully we can go see you soon.
I like Mia in
That
that clothing.
your dream vacation?
But Mia.
Anywhere where you can or not.
Rude.
I'm just kidding.
Mia.
Or you?
Make you die. Because you.
I would have to say
Mom.
Vegas. Dream vacation? Vegas? Or somewhere where I could like hike. I got like beautiful views as far, but not water. I don't like the water
He
sea.
doesn't like beaches.
Yeah, I don't like beaches and all that. It would have to be like mountains or some type of, you know what I mean, some type of hike.
My
Personal.
dream vacation is Paris.
Okay,
For what? That's my bigger question.
Just
to see the Eiffel Tower.
you could go to your other places around there. Europe, not
And
just
try the
Paris.
macaroons.
The macaron.
Well, me being the scaredy cat that I am, not wanting to
I'm
eat
not
ever.
this. I'm just a
But if I
scaredy
had
cat
to
in the
leave,
pool.
um,
I'm a scaredy cat in the pool. Yeah.
Paris or
Because I
También?
don't like
or
the
Canada,
water.
like somewhere in Canada.
Canada.
Yeah.
I don't like.
I want to go to Niagara Falls.
I would like to do that too.
That's beautiful view.
That'd probably be the only water place that I would go to.
But because you don't swim there,
Exactly.
Okay, next question is.
it's cold.
How many more questions do we have?
This one I like being.
One more question.
But since we.
Good, because it's almost a lot of time already.
Okay. What are we afraid of?
What are we afraid of? Mom?
I don't think that I'm afraid of something. I
I'm
just don't like bugs or insects. I
I
don't
like
think I'm
that.
afraid of them. They disgust me.
Well, that's not being afraid, but
Well,
I
I'm
like
not
that.
afraid of
I like catching bugs.
I'm not afraid of the dark or snakes or tarantulas. Obviously, if there was one near me, I would be probably scared. But
I'm scared of snakes. I'm scared.
you're scared of snakes?
But it was in our
What are you
house
scared of?
yesterday, and the stuck. Yesterday.
What are you afraid of?
Snakes.
Snakes? Okay.
okay.
Me? I'm scared of practically
I'm
everything.
afraid of like so.
True.
But if I had to pick one thing,
What?
natural disasters or death.
No, that's a lie.
True.
Facts.
You finished it.
There's still more.
Me? What am I scared of?
Steph.
Not a damn thing.
Liar, you're afraid of death.
Never scared, baby. Never
You
scared.
used to be scared of clowns.
That's
And
irrelevant. That's
And
irrelevant.
death.
I'm dead.
Put it like
Okay. I'm not afraid of clowns anymore.
Mm.
But I can't be
You're
around
afraid
them.
of
Not because
clowns?
I'm afraid.
you got drinks so
Because
it's
they piss me
mine.
off. But yet, for Halloween, that's what I usually am, a clown. I like dressing up as a clown and scaring people with them.
Wait,
But
one more.
what I do suffer is from death. Like I get a little bit
Mom, I need
frightened or I have
a
issues with it.
I need a
'Cause
napkin.
I don't think I'm ready for it. And yeah, I do go kind of hard. You know what I mean? I'll be asleep and start thinking a lot. That's where I'm like, damn. Like, I don't want to die. Why does everybody have to die? Stuff like that. A bunch of questions. But that'd probably be my biggest fear is death right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I add a question?
Okay, one bonus question.
What we're gonna do for Halloween?
What are we gonna be for Halloween? Okay, I'll start off. Most likely I'll be a clown.
I don't
Okay.
want to be a clown.
I wanna. Oh.
I want to be.
But it's like a scary clown. Don't think it's like a. What is it called? It's like a regular McDonald's clown. No, like a killer clown. That's what I like. You? For mom?
Mom?
I don't know yet. I have no idea.
Raiden.
I never
Never
dress
dress
up.
Raiden's gonna be. What are you gonna be?
Superman.
It's gonna be Superman.
I'm gonna be. What are they called?
Annoying?
She has two options. Either
Mime.
mime or she wants to be what are they called? The las calaveras? No,
Have it.
the one for the Day of the Dead.
Yeah.
They color their face.
And yeah, I don't
Katrina?
know, so-
Katrina?
Catrinas.
Katrina.
I have like a dress already. And then.
She has those two options.
That's good. All right then, guys. Well, those were all the questions that we had. And make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. We're gonna keep posting videos I try to post them every Monday. So every week, once, hopefully I can double up, but it's hard. We're almost done here eating. It was good. It's a good what? Mukbang? What you wanna call it? It was good. Now I gotta hit these Oreos up. Let's see how good they are.
Wait, they have a clue.
Oh, that's cool. So, thank you. Have a good day.
Good night.
Or good night. We're off. All right. Catch you guys. Toodles.